Good morning, guys. It's Michelle here. I know some teachers are still having a little bit of problems with their videos from Screencastify, uploading them to Google Classroom. And the problem is that Google is just on overload. And so sometimes it takes a while for the videos to process. And then I know it kind of is an extra step for your students to then download the video. So I am going to walk you through the easiest workaround for that, which is to make your own YouTube channel. Now, keep in mind that your YouTube channel will be unlisted. So that means that if a student or a parent or anybody really tries to search for your video or search your name, it will not come up on YouTube. The only way that somebody can access this video is with the link that you give them. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head to youtube.com. Make sure you're logged in with your school account if you're doing this through your school account. And you're going to press the button up here, which is create a video and upload video and get started. Now, you only have to do this when you're starting your account. Once you've got your account going, you won't have to go through all of these steps. You can just use your name, press select. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You don't need to set up, a picture or anything like that unless you want to. I just choose to leave it blank and press set up later. So now your channel is ready to go. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to Screencastify. Now, I pulled up a video in my recordings that I have already recorded, and I'm going to publish it to YouTube. So what you want to do is press publish to YouTube. And again, these steps you only really have to do the first time you are uploading a video. You're going to add a YouTube channel, press add a channel. And you're going to pick your Google account that your channel is in. I made this fake TJS account so I can do some different things on it. So mine email is just sampletjs@gmail.com. You want to allow it to manage your YouTube account. Now, keep in mind that sometimes this has been happening. There's a glitch with Screencastify over the past couple of days. There's also an overload. So I'm just going to try it again. Okay, so for some reason it's not working, so I'm gonna